I'm at the birds section of the Natural Sciences Museum in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. If you look at the previous vlogs, I showed you the insects, I showed you the mammals like the leopards and the Stone Age and the Green Warriors. So today it's the birds of the African continent, of the world, in fact. These are falcons and kestrels found in the Mpumalanga province. We have the waterfowl, looks similar to a duck, but it's actually a fowl, waterfowl. These are also waterfowls. These are pelagic seabirds of the South Atlantic. These are petrels. And the penguins, of course, you know the penguins. Penguins of Western Cape, Betty's Bay. They are flightless, which means they cannot fly. And they are actually referred to as seabirds, the birds that live in the sea. Vultures. These are vultures. They scavenge off carcasses. You can see these vultures are scavenging off the carcass of a bull. They're eating the flesh, the blood of this bull that just was killed, maybe by a lion. So they're scavengers. They're birds of prey, and they specialize in feeding on carcasses rather than killing their own prey, so they don't kill their own prey. These are all birds of prey because they kill to eat and survive. It's the crowned eagle, African crowned eagle, found at the Kranskloof Nature Reserve. This is one of my favorite birds. It's a flamingo. I love the color of it, the pink color. They look very beautiful, and I'll say it's one of my favorite birds. It's the flamingo. They are found in Namibia and in Botswana. And they used to frequent Durban Harbour Bay, but because of the development in the Harbour Bay, they stopped coming to Durban. Look at the beautiful pink colors on it. We have egrets, herons, spoonbills, just the infamous kingfisher. So many adverts you'll see about kingfishers. Another beautiful favorite of mine is the pelican. It's the one who has the very big beak. They actually have a pouch slung below their long beaks. These are flightless birds, ostriches. They're flightless, meaning they cannot fly. But their ancestors could fly. Their ancestors at the time, many thousands of years, could fly, but now they are flightless. The ostrich, the emu, and the cassowary. See you in the next episode. Moving on to the next area of the Natural Sciences Museum here in Durban. See you in the next vlog.